committed myself to that struggle, and I'll always be there. I have other things that I could be doing in Victoria, but still, I want us to join hands. I want us to join forces to make sure that we better this country for the good of our children and for our grandchildren. Even tomorrow when we are not in this world, at least we leave a legacy and say this is a Uganda we have left. Keep clapping for that, but I'm also going to disappoint you that whatever you're cramming is not what will be asked. You wait for your colleague to go for the interview, but what did they ask you? Then you cram that. It is not what will be asked. I will still use the same words I used in Mukono, because in my culture we do circumcision, and everybody is circumcised differently. So every one of you will be circumcised differently, meaning the questions will be asked differently. Are we together? I know that I be praising. I'm saying, what singer, show us how powerful you are today. But we are telling you, we are assuring you, this is a technical team, this is a committed team, and we are going to hold this process transparently, and may the best candidate win for God and my country. People power, our power. We shall come back to this place to celebrate our victories. For now, we are here to vet you and be blessed. Thank you so much.
Ategeze da tushoka kyankwansi kwa basingo kwa biwala. Naye baba wesimye kuwa kansala oba LC5 Kibuga district. Na muli basatu. Tulina paveti nga mwenna basatu we muli. Kwa tuba compare linga. Oyogera, onayogera, ulina ayogera tukano ne yasinze. So, kule kifo mwendo kujopera vede. Wino panga mwenna we muli. Areji nyuma, amu mwemanyi, you like us. Naiwa nayo, kuruno, abatu wa Buganda. Kuruno nafu tuwaya bakulembeza ab'ensonga. Kwanga kiriflectinga kumanyika fena region eya Buganda. Bana mtuka, ebisijja bigendamu, atandike n'ekiboga Kyankwanzi ayatako kubere walaawo Kasanda nendeza mu Bulindi Kibula kyakwazi ngambijjeko njala kumanya abasemba yensibe Mubende Ngamba badda kwega Mubende